Top companies dominating the U.S. orthopedic surgical robotics market, robots are no longer a futuristic idea in orthopedic surgery. In the U.S., they are already reshaping how knee and hip procedures are planned, performed, and scaled. According to Best Research, the U.S. orthopedic surgical robotics market grew from $531.1 million in 2020 and is projected to reach $1.26 billion by 2026. That growth is not just about hospitals buying advanced machines, it is about a much bigger shift: precision surgery becoming a competitive advantage. The main drivers are clear. More patients need knee and hip replacements, especially as the aging population grows. Hospitals are looking for minimally invasive procedures, better consistency, and improved surgical planning. Surgeons are also gaining confidence in robotic-assisted systems, especially for total knee arthroplasty, which remains the largest application area. The competitive landscape is led by Stryker Corporation, whose Mako system supports total knee, partial knee, and total hip procedures. Stryker holds a major advantage because it is not limited to only knee applications. Its installed base has also expanded sharply, showing how deeply the platform has entered U.S. hospitals. But the market is not a one-company story. Smith & Nephew is growing rapidly with its Nephew and Corin systems, focused on total and partial knee procedures. Zimmer Biomet is strengthening its position through the ROSA knee system. Corin Group's Robotics and Think Surgical's T-Solution 1 are also gaining traction as hospitals diversify their robotic surgery capabilities. Here's the specific angle. The real battle is not only about who has the best robot, it is about who controls the installed base, surgeon adoption, procedure data, and hospital workflow integration. In surgical robotics, scale creates trust, and trust drives repeat procedures. Procedure volumes show why this matters. Robotic-assisted orthopedic procedures in the U.S. rose from 123.5 thousand in 2020 to a projected 483.6 thousand by 2026. Knee procedures dominate, while hip procedures are also expanding quickly. Regionally, the southern U.S. leads in procedure volume, followed by strong growth in the West. At the state level, California remains the largest market, ahead of Texas and Florida. So, what is the takeaway? Orthopedic surgical robotics is moving from premium innovation to mainstream orthopedic infrastructure. Subscribe for more insights on healthcare technology, robotics, and emerging markets. And to learn more about this market, explore our full BIS research report in the description below.